Hi dear students, welcome to Maths JEE CBSE classes. In this video, we are discussing about Surds concept. This is the second video of Surds. If y equal to x plus root over x square minus 1, then half into y plus y power minus 1, that means 1 by y, equal to. So here the values are provided, y value. So y equal to x plus root over x square minus 1. Y power minus 1 means 1 by y. Y power minus 1. 1 by y. So which is equal to 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1. So we need to rationalize with respect to denominator. The rationalizing factor of x plus root of x square minus 1 is x minus root of x square minus 1. So multiplying and dividing by x minus root of x square minus 1 divided by x minus root of x square minus 1. Okay dear students. So 1 by y is equal to x minus root of x square minus 1 divided by a plus b into a minus b. So x square minus root of x square minus 1 whole square. So that implies that 1 by y is equal to x minus root over x square minus 1 divided by x square minus root square cancel minus x square minus into minus plus. These two will be cancelled. So 1 by y is equal to x minus root of x square minus 1. That implies that 1 by y means what? Y power minus 1, which is equal to x minus root of x square minus 1. So y power minus 1 value we got it. Y value is also there. Therefore, y plus y power minus 1 equal to. So y value x plus root of x square minus 1 plus y power minus 1 x minus root over x square minus 1. So these two will be cancelled. Y plus y power minus 1 is equal to x plus x, 2x. But I want half into, so both sides multiplying by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into y plus y dash, y power minus 1 equal to 2x into 1 by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 1 by 2 into y plus y power minus 1 is equal to x. It is there in the which option, my dear students? X is there in the first option. I hope everyone understand. This is the way. Just here we are doing that rationalizing with respect to denominator. Now come to the question. If square root of x plus x divided by x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 by x equal to 17 by 4, then x equal to. We observe that the first term reciprocal only in the second term. So first term, let root x by x plus 1 is equal to some p, you take it dear students. So obviously then root of x plus 1 by x will becomes 1 by p. Why? Because it is the reciprocal of that one. So this given equation will becomes p plus 1 by p is equal to 17 by 4. Take LCM. P square plus 1 divided by p is equal to 17 by 4. Cross multiply and simplify. 4p square plus 4 is equal to 17p. 4p square minus 17p plus 4 equal to 0. Here we are doing the factorization. So 4p square minus 16p minus p plus 4 equal to 0. From first two terms 4p take common. From next two terms minus 1 take common. See how we are going to do that. So from first two terms the equation is like this one. 4p square minus 16p minus p plus 4 equal to 0. 4p if we take out common, p minus 4 minus 1 take out common, p minus 4 equal to 0. So p minus 4 into 4p minus 1 equal to 0. So p minus 4 equal to 0. 4p minus 1 equal to 0. So p equal to 4. Here 4p equal to 1. So p equal to 1 by 4. What is p here? We represented. We assume that. So root over x by x plus 1 equal to 4. Squaring on both sides. X by x plus 1 is equal to 16. Cross multiply, dear students. X equal to 16x plus 16. 16x bring this side, minus 15x equal to 16. X is equal to minus 16 by 15. So minus 16 by 15, where it will be, that only answer. No need to find another one. But anyway, till here we did no. Option verification also we can do, dear students. But the student has to know the method of solving. That is the reason we are explaining. Root over x plus x by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Squaring on both sides. X by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 16. Cross multiply. 16x equal to x plus 1. X bring this side. 15x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 15. So the options are x values for the given question are 1 by 15 and minus 16 by 5. It is there in the first option, dear students. We'll move on to the another question now. The next question, it is related to Surds as well as logarithm. Generally they won't do like this, but it is given. But how to solve the problem is we will do it. 5 power x equal to 0.5 whole power y is equal to 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. Okay. First, I want to write the value of 1 by x and 1 by y. How to write x value, y value? Equating these two, equating these two. So 5 power x is equal to 10 power 3. Okay. Taking log on both sides, log 5 power x is equal to log 10 power 3. So log 5 power x means x into log 5 is equal to 3 into log 10. So x is equal to, so 3 bring this side, x by 3 equal to log 10 divided by log 5. Log a by log b is log a to the base b. So log 10 to the base 5, the value of x by 3. But I want 1 by x now. So reciprocal 3 by x is equal to, if you write the reciprocal of x here, 3 by x will go, x by 3 reciprocal is 3 by x. Whenever you are writing the reciprocal, here log 1 by log 10 to the base 5, it will become log 5 to the base 10. Whenever we are doing the reciprocal of this one, even here also base and the number also will be changed. So this is about 3 by x. Similarly, we can do that y term also. So how to do that y term? 0.5 whole power y is equal to 10 power 3 taking log on both sides, log 0.5 whole power y is equal to log 10 power 3. So y into log 0.5 is equal to 3 log 10. So I want a y value. So 3 bring this side, y by 3 is equal to log 10 to the base divided by log 0.5. If you want to write the reciprocal, 3 by y is equal to log, this can be written as log 10 to the base 0.5, dear students. Then it will be reciprocal. Whenever you are writing reciprocal, these values also will be interchanged, 0.5 to the base 10. They are asking to find 1 by x minus 1 by y. So I am subtracting from this value and this value. So now I am going to do that. 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to, so 3 by x value log 5 to the base 10 minus log 0.5 to the base 10. From these two, 3 take common. 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to, bases are same, log a minus log b, log a by b. So log 5 divided by 0.5 to the base 10. So which is equal to log 5 0.5, 1 by 0.1 to the base 10. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3, here 3 I am bringing this side, into log 1 by 0.1. So log 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10, no? 10, 1 by 10 means 10 will come. 10 to the base. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So 1 by 3 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore, the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. I hope you understand. The answer is second option, dear students. So by using logarithm properties, we got it. Now come to the another question. The value of 17 plus root of 288 whole power 1 by 4. So that means fourth root of 17 plus root over 288. This can be written as, here 4 2 times we will write it. Whole power 1 by 4 can be written as whole power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. We can write it. So that is equal to square root of 17 plus root 288. So 288 in terms of 4, how many times we are going to do that? Root over 17 plus root of 4 into 4 sevens are 4 twos are. So 4 bring outside of the root, it will become square root of 17 plus 4 bring outside 2 will come 72. 72, while finding the square root, the product of two numbers is equal to 72. At the same time, whatever the terms of product, it should be sum of these numbers. The sum of these numbers should be equal to 17. So here I am writing square root of, leave the place like this, 2 into root over 72 multiples 9 8 are 72. So 9 plus 8, can I write 17? So 9 plus 8. So which is equal to square root of 9 can be written as root 9 whole square plus root 8 whole square plus 2 into root 9 into root 8. Is it in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab? Yes, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write it as square root of root over root 9 plus root 8 whole square. Now square root and square will be cancelled. The remaining root over root 9 plus root 8 Again we have to do that. Root over root 9 means 3. 8 can be written as root 4 into 2. So that is equal to root over 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. 4 bring outside, 2 will come, root 2. The 2 also can be written as 2 into 1. In the next step, we will write it as root over root 2 whole square plus root 1 whole square, or simply 1 square, plus 2 into root 1. Again, it is the expansion of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is equal to square root of root 2 plus root 1 whole square. Square and root will be cancelled. Root 2 plus root 1. Otherwise, simply we can write it as root 2 plus 1. Therefore, the fourth root of 17 plus root 2 88 is equal to root 2 plus 1. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understands. Slowly you can go through. Any doubts are there, you write in the comment box, dear students. So the next question. If p plus 1 by q whole power p into p minus 1 by q whole power q by q plus 1 by p whole power p into q minus 1 by p whole power q equal to p by q whole power x, then x equal to. See, first we need to simplify in the numerator. Q is the LCM, pq plus 1 divided by q whole power p, pq minus 1 divided by q whole power q, whole divided by, denominator also take LCM and simplify. pq plus 1 divided by p whole power p, pq minus 1 by p whole power q is equal to p by q whole power x. That implies a by b whole power m means a power m by b power m. So pq plus 1 whole power p divided by q power p into pq minus 1 whole power q divided by q power q whole divided by pq plus 1 whole power p divided by p power p into pq minus 1 whole power q divided by p power q is equal to p by q whole power x. Okay. Here pq plus 1 whole power p, pq plus 1 whole power p get cancelled. Even here also it will be cancelled. Denominator of a denominator numerator, denominator of a denominator numerator. So it will be p power p divided by q power p into p power q divided by q power q is equal to p by q whole power x. Dear students, you remember p power p, q power p, even here also p power q, q power q. We can write it as p by q whole power p into p by q whole power q is equal to p by q whole power x. Bases are equal, power should be added. That implies p by q whole power p plus q is equal to p by q whole power x. Bases are equal, power should be equated. Therefore, p plus q is equal to x. So the value of x is equal to p plus q. It is there in the third option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We'll move on to the another question here. Just a simplification. So the value of 15 divided by root 10 plus root 20 can be written as 4 times of 5 plus root over 40 can be written as 4 into 10 minus root 5 minus root over 80 can be written as 16 into 5. Am I right, dear students? So 15 divided by root 10, root 4 into root 5. So root 4 can be written as 2 into root 5. Here also root 4 into root 10. So root 4 means 2. 2 root 10. Next minus root 5 minus root 16 into root 5. Root 16 is 4. 4 root 5. Now one by one we have to simplify. 15 divided by root 10. 2 root 5 minus 5 root 5. So first before that root 10 plus 2 root 10, 3 root 10. Okay. Next 2 root 5 minus 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5. So 15 divided by 3, take common here, root 10 minus root 5. So by 3 table, 3 ones, 3 5s. So 5 divided by root 10 can be written as root of 5 into 2. So root 5 into root 2 minus root 5. That also can be written as 5 divided by root 5, take common, into root 2 minus 1. Now rationalizing with respect to denominator. So 5 into root 2 plus 1, multiplying and dividing by. So root 5 into root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, multiplying and dividing by root 2 plus 1. So which is equal to 5 into root 2 plus 1 divided by root 5, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So 5 can be written as in the numerator root 5 into root 5 into root 2 plus 1 whole divided by root 5 into 1. Root 5 get cancelled. Root 5 into root 2 plus 1. Therefore, the given value is equal to root 5 into root 2 plus 1. It is there in the third option, dear students. We will move on to the another set of questions. The next question. Square root of root 3 minus square root of 4 plus root 5 plus square root of 17 minus, here 4 is there, no? We can write it as 2 into 2 root 15. In the next step 2 I am taking inside the root. Inside the root means it will become 2 square, 4 will come. So square root of root 3 minus square root of 4 plus root 5 plus square root of 17 minus 2 root 4 into 15, 60. Now square root of 17 minus 2 root 60. 60 factors and the two factors are sum of these two numbers. Sum of those two factors is equal to 17. So what numbers are possible? 60, 10 into 6, 12 into 5, 15 into 4. These many possibilities are getting, dear students. So among that 12 and 5. 12 into 5, 60. 12 plus 5, 17. So square root of root 3 minus square root of 4 plus root 5 plus root over 17 can be written as 12 plus 5 minus 2 into root of 12 into 5. So root 12 into root 5. That is equal to root 3 minus square root of 4 plus root 5 plus square root of 12 can be written as root 12 whole square plus 5 can be written as root 5 whole square minus 2 root 12 into root 5. So root over root 3 minus root over 4 plus root 5 plus root over a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square. So root 12 minus root 5 whole square. Here square, here root will be cancelled. Square root of root 3 minus square root of 4 plus root 5 plus root 12 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 5 get cancelled. So which is equal to square root of root 3 minus square root of 4 plus root of 12 can be written as 4 into 3. In the next step, square root of root 3 minus square root of 4 can be written as 4 plus 4 root 4 into root 3. Root 4 means 2 into root 3. In the next step, this we can write it as square root of 3 minus square root of 4 can be written as 3 plus 1 plus 2 into root 3 can be written as root 3 into root 1. In the next step, square root of root 3 minus square root of root 3 whole square plus root 1 whole square plus 2 root 3 into root 1. This is the expansion of a plus b whole square, dear students. So now square root of root 3 minus square root of root 3 plus 1 whole square, root 1. Square root will be cancelled. Root of root 3 minus root 3 minus root 1. Root minus 1 is equal to I. Otherwise, we can write like this, dear students. Root of I square, that is equal to I. Minus 1 is equal to I square, I at all. Root I square is equal to I. I is there in the first option, dear students. Now we will move to the another question of here. In the previous video, smallest among them I said. That time the surds which are adding root 17 plus 3 like this it is. But now it is subtraction. When it is subtraction case, this can be written as root 17 minus root 9. Can I write like this? 4 can be written as root 16 minus root 8. Root 15 minus root 7. Root 14 minus root 6. Now we have to do the product. For the first one, here 17 into 9. Okay, dear students? So 153. Next for this 16 into 8. 128. Next 15 into 7, 105. Next 14 into 6. These two we are multiplying. They are asking to find greatest. Whenever here symbol is minus, among these values, which one is small? That is the greatest value. Therefore, the greatest among the surds is 84. This one is the greatest. After doing the product of these values, when it is subtracting, so the answer is the smallest one. 84 is the smallest one among them. So greatest surd is root 14 minus root 6. It is there in the second option, dear students. This is the trick. you can apply. Even otherwise, general method I already said that it is nearby root 16. Root 16 means 4 point something minus 3, some little value will come. 4 minus root 8 means it is also 2 point something, 2.8, some like this it comes. So like this way you can verify among that which one is small, greatest. Otherwise you can follow the trick. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel. We will meet with another video in the another session. Thank you all. Jai Hind.